Hello everybody, this is Nerf Gun Reviewer 331 here today. Today's video, I believe this is the Blaster's board. Is it the Blaster? Yes, it is. It's the Blaster board unboxing. Just got this recently. I'm gonna try and rip it off. Oh yes, it is. So, the Blaster boards come in an Amazon box with another box inside of it. Now let's see, do I need scissors? Where's my screwdriver? Oh wait, I got an X-Acto knife here. This will work. This will work as a something else. Where's the thing? I like the designs on this thing. This is pretty sick. Now what's in it, if I can learn how to open it, it looks like it comes with how to attach instructions. It comes with a board front and back, which is pretty cool. Symbols on back of board show where to connect attach connector. Board detail, okay, cool. These are the connectors. And oh my god. Oh, hell yeah. Okay, now this is sick. Oh my god. Oh. This is pretty sick. Don't get me wrong, I'm already liking this. So we got our spin target things, maybe like poke holes or something where you can poke out your gun. Let's see if I can just make a one basic thing, just to make it quick. Well, they do snap into place. Sweet. Let's see, what are these? These are connectors. Okay, so Blaster boards! Blaster boards! I think what I'm gonna do is just gonna make a basic riot shield. This is what I always wanted to do since I got one of these. So put that there, and there, there, and there. And this part's almost complete. So it says from square to square, triangle, triangle, circle, circle. Oh, circle, circle. Where do I find the circle, circle? There's a circle. And there's a circle. Okay, so far I'm getting the hang of it. This would make an awesome shield. I think I am gonna do one more thing. This is like a little bit of an addiction here. Hey, let's make a riot shield out of this shit. Oh, put it in wrong. Now, this does not look like much, assure you everything is going to plan, and I think I screwed it up. No, I didn't. Alright, there we go. Oh, shit. So I could possibly make something else out of this. I'm just thoroughly impressed with the blaster boards. I'm going to be working on this for a long time. I'm going to probably turn off the camera now. So, just demonstrating how cool this looks, I'm very impressed. I'm going to give this easily 9.5 out of... No, I'm going to give this 9 out of 10 stars, mainly because the only thing that was the downside was the price and how much you get with it. Obviously, I can make a pretty dope-ass riot shield out of this. But it isn't good enough. You need more boards to do more things for that $55 price range that I paid for. So, overall, I like it a lot. I'll make a separate video of what I made with these blaster boards. So I'll see you guys later. Alrighty, so it's a bit late to make this second video of what I made. It actually took 2 days because I had some things I had to do. But this is what I have overall, is this little riot shield type thing. Now if I had more blaster boards, I could make it bigger, or say like wider, make the fins wider. Maybe like add like a little roof, or maybe another level high so it can cover my entire body. And I'll show you what I mean. Currently, this is what it looks like. So this is like first person. Now all the way down, as you can see, it covers like halfway up my body. But now if it was like a normal sized person, if it were a normal sized person like up to here, this would be perfect for them. It's a little heavy to carry, but then again, it's a whole bunch of plastic put together. Now the reason why I added this is so it's not completely dart proof or foam proof. So in a sense, like you can still shoot through one of these and get me, or get the person holding this. But it would be virtually impossible, so I added these to give it a more of a balance key feature. So that way, if the dart went right past me and it hit me in the chest, I gotta drop the shield. Regardless, that took a very long time to make it, because I could have gotten this video done in like 2 days, or not 2 days. It took 2 days to get this video out, but it took me 10 minutes to find all the parts and put it together. Before I put this thing together, I just literally went to town on it and almost destroyed a few pieces. But everything seems to be working fine. I actually added attachments here and here to like strengthen these so they don't like flimsy around and make the whole thing flimsy. Added angle things at each of the angle points just to make it more stronger, and then I added the middle piece here, including this one in the middle here, to strengthen, to give it more durability, I guess, strengthen it. From the outside, it looks like just a normal barrier, but you can pick up this barrier is what my goal is. I have yet to figure out what to use to make like where the arm can go through and like pick it up, so to speak. I don't know if I would be using zip ties or I don't know, like zip ties, rope, yarn, string. I don't know what to do, but this project's almost halfway done. I just want to see what I can do as far as attaching my arm to that. But thanks for watching, guys. See you guys later.